What's up everybody? It's Laura at Vegan RV, and in our next video here from Los Barriles in Baja California Sur, Mexico, we're going on an adventure thanks to Richard and Cheryl Hampton, who have been letting us use their UTV. We went up the Arroyo and found a waterfall and a watering hole, and it was quite the adventure. So you'll see a little bit of that, and the next thing we do is we also make a supply run to Los Cabos. So we stop in San Jose del Cabo and have lunch at Chula Vegan Cafe, which is delicious. We went there last time we were down here in Mexico, and they've moved locations, bigger spot, lots of outdoor seating. Food's still great. And we also went to a Costco, which I don't have any video of that because y'all seen a Costco. And but I do show you some vegan options that we found in La Comer, which is a grocery chain down here. And they carry a lot of international foods, so you'll see some brands you might be familiar with. But they also had some cool brands that are made in Mexico, so that was neat. And then we had some visitors in the campground. You'll see.
What's up, everybody?
We're getting ready to ride up the Arroyo and go look for a waterfall.
Laura, sounds like it's such a peaceful time. It's gonna be crazy!
Yeah, you'll see.
It's gonna be awesome. So we're heading up the Arroyo, see a waterfall, eat some food, come back, vegan food tonight. Mm-hmm. Oh, what? Let's do this.
All right, we're on the way. Now let's go.
How much further is it up? Go chasing waterfall.
So
the rivers and the lakes. We're gonna get dinged. Nope.
Yep. So I think we've made our.
Am I supposed to be walking with you?
Yeah, as far as we're gonna get.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But look at the walls behind us. Hold on, pan up. Whoop. Dude, it's so sick here.
So we're gonna go walk to the waterfall now.
Don't go walking to the waterfall.
Have some snacks.
Yeah.
So we'll see you in a minute.
Purposes only. I don't think
Ours didn't make it, so we're gonna have to hoof it.
This is where everybody parks. He gets to about here. Yeah, but all the way out. It was like this, like level like this, no rock. All the way out.
Hope we don't get a sudden rainstorm. We're in trouble. We're about 9 and 1. Elena's on the phone to her insurance company. So we just saw the waterfalls, and now we're going to go check out another spot. So it's there. Ponds, overgrown. We don't know. We'll find out.
Whoa!
Where's the fish? Oh no, you don't want to come up here.
It's better a little easier than earlier when
Here comes Kevin.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh my God, Petey's so funny.
Right here, dude. If you dive out to here, you're alright.
You can always cannonball.
jump, not dive. It looks like it's deeper right in here.
No, it's right there.
Like this?
You still kick out right here. Maybe a little further, but okay.
Damn, that was close.
Yeah.
So some people got in slimy water. I don't think I'm going in.
We were camping out there. They had a dog, and the dog was walking in the water and just like swimming around. It was really entertaining itself. Just kind of thing.
Creeper cam. So somebody clearly left the gate open. If you've been watching our videos. This is how the poop gets in here. Oh, it must be warm out. So we are about to make a run to San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas. The ultimate goal is to hit up Costco and Walmart, but we have some other things to do, so like eat food. Yeah.
You want to know what's crazy about this trip?
What?
Look how clean the back of the motorhome experiments car is.
Yeah.
Never like that, ever.
Yeah, it's
crazy.
normally a bin annex for them, so we had to clean it out so we can put our Costco haul in there.
Paul and Lorena, you did a great job.
It's real nice. We appreciates it.
That's what I appreciate about you.
Letterkenny reference.
Hey. Is this where the dicks hang out?
Seen this?
He really enjoyed the petting on the head.
Yeah.
He really enjoyed it.
Did you show his dick?
I did.
Oh, your ears are
See,
so
our
cute.
channel's a little bit different from T&E.
Yeah, that's true.
We'll talk about stuff like that. Hi. I love your little noses. They're so nice.
Kiss and curse burrito.
Oh, look at the geese. That gray one's so pretty. Yeah, look at the claws on the back.
They're like immediately like, oh look, here they come more. They're like, yeah.
I wonder if I put my face.
So we're at Chula's in space. It's a lot bigger. More open air. They got a lot of outdoor seating. And they have kombucha on tap, so that's pretty cool.
For your, see if you posted yours, I saw their videos, I wanted to see if yours was on, it wasn't there. And they really released it, it had a really bad sound. Because Ron White was saying, well, mine was bad, but nothing like yours, you know. Get a picture of this one, but it's decimated.
Already got that
Oh, here come the cows. Picture of the baby cow.
Baby vacas.
Oh, of course it's backlit, so.
Subaka, Subaka.
The one left behind.
Oh, look at that.
Like, oh, these guys are always.
This in the green is not here on the side. And then there's
See, now you know why you have to keep the gates closed. You get an infestation of cattle, but we enjoy having them visit. They're cute, even if they do leave big piles. Gonna end this one here. So we're not done doing stuff in Los Barriles. You'll have to wait for the next video to see what else we're up to, though. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll find out when we put out a new video. If you want to kind of keep more up to date with us, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever your poison is. And we're at Vegan RVR at most places. Also, come visit us at veganrv.com. We have not one, but 2 different email newsletters. One of them's about travel, and one of them's about vegan food. So if you want to hear more about either one of those things or keep up to date that way, then you can get an email coming directly to you. So until next time, see ya.
we're just gonna guess say what we're getting ready to do.
Yeah, that's all we're going to say right now.
All right, thanks. Y'all be good. See you next time.